Lions Head Provincial Park is a nature reserve in Ontario, Canada, located near the town of Lions Head on Georgian Bay. It is about 80 kilometers north of Owen Sound. The park contains portions of the Niagara Escarpment and is noted for its glacial features, especially potholes. Part of the Bruce Trail runs through the park. Surrounded by beautiful limestone cliffs, which when viewed from Georgian Bay resemble the head of a lion, gives Lions Head its name. Lions Head is also located at the 45th parallel, exactly halfway between the equator and the North Pole. This area of the Niagara Escarpment is well known for its rock formation. Some 400 million years old, these Cabot Head, Amabel, and Guelph formations of bedrock are exposed in the cliff face. Glacial outwash and eroded potholes lie on the top of the escarpment, while mounds of rock debris, overgrown with vegetation, lie along the bottom. The cliffs of the Niagara Escarpment, including those at Lions Head, support one of the most ancient and least disturbed forest ecosystems in North America. Of particular interest are the ancient white cedars found along the cliff's edge. Part of the Niagara Escarpment Biosphere Reserve, this park is also known for the presence of both nationally and provincially rare plant species. The area is best suited for hiking and nature appreciation, as natural features are vulnerable and easily damaged. The purpose of this 526-hectare nature reserve is to protect the rock formation and plants unique to the area.